So yesterday we had talked about persuasive essays and how Oreo opinion raising examples restate your opinion is a really good way for you to try to persuade somebody or talk somebody into something. So today we are going to read this book, Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus, and it's by Mo Willems, same author that wrote the Elephant and Piggie series. Pretty good books. I like him. He's one of my favorite authors for children's books. So I'm going to read this to you today, and I'm not going to ask you a bunch of questions or anything as we read. I'm just going to read it and just go through it. And at the end, what I want you to do is go into the discussion board on our PowerSchool. You just scroll down past the Post-its and you'll see it's literally called Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus. And I want you to post in that discussion board one reason and example that the pigeon gave for trying to talk us into letting him drive the bus. So even pigeons can give reasons and examples, so you definitely can do it with your writing. All right, here we go. Don't let the pigeon drive the bus. Hi, I'm the bus driver. Listen, I've got to leave for a little while, so can you watch things for me until I get back? Thanks. Oh, and remember, don't let the pigeon drive the bus. Hmm? I thought he'd never leave. Hey, can I drive the bus? Please. I'll be careful. I tell you what, I'll just steer. My cousin Herb drives a bus almost every day. True story. Vroom, vroom, vroomy, vroom, vroom. Pigeon at the wheel. No, I never get to do anything. Hey, I've got an idea. Let's play Drive the Bus. I'll go first. Come on, just once around the block. I'll be your best friend. How about I give you $5? No fair. I bet your mom would let me. What's the big deal? It's just a bus. I have dreams, you know. Fine. Let me drive the bus! Kind of going nuts here. I'm back. You didn't let the pigeon drive the bus, did you? Great, thanks a lot. Uh-oh. Bye. Hmm. Hey. I love these books. They're so easy to read, but so silly. Couple things I want to point out just because I'm a teacher and I have to do this. I just can't help myself. Speech bubbles. They've got a lot of good speech bubbles in the Elephant and Piggie books and in the Pigeon books. So speech bubble is where it's going to be a circle-ish or an oval with that little pointy spot. That's when he's talking. Talking, 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 because there's a pointy one. But there's a different one in here. This one is not a speech bubble because it's not pointy, pointing to the person that's talking. It's a thought bubble. So it's got like the circles going up to it. And that shows that he didn't actually say uh-oh out loud, but he was thinking it in his brain. So speech bubbles, thought bubbles. All right. Something else I wanted to point out is why I read that one page the way I did. because anytime you have bigger words, you say them louder. Smaller words, you would say them quieter if they're changing them throughout the thing. All caps, you would say loud. I had to scream this because they're all caps, they're large, and then they even made it like this outline around it that just kind of told me that look at his face, he's going crazy. I need to say it like he's going crazy. So you got to watch the text when you're reading to make sure you're reading it the way that the author intended it to be read. Okay, so I didn't really talk through the persuasion very much in this. Did he do very much persuasion? Did he give any reasons why you should let him drive the bus? Did he give you any examples of why you should let him ride the bus? Yes, you did. So go ahead, go on the discussion board, and you can't, I always make it so that you can't see other people's answers before you post so that you don't copy. This donkey's smart. I'm a smart cookie. So get on the discussion board, post a reason or example that the pigeon gave that we should let him drive the bus for. And remember, when you post in discussion boards, kindness only. You should not be posting anything that's hurtful or mean. Do not point out spelling mistakes. Only if you want to comment on somebody else's, only say things that are encouraging or helpful, or oh, I didn't notice that, or oh, that's a good one too. Something that's going to help take our learning to the next level, not make people discouraged and not want to post anymore. All right, get busy.